There's 6 main sections from the dashboard that allow you to get a quick view of your cloud environment, with the ability to dive deeper. And all of this is presented to you within minutes of signing up. Up top is the summary of the inventory, with how many clouds you're in, how many accounts are connected to Ops Compass, and the total number of resources. This provides the ability to quickly navigate to the inventory and begin the exploration at a very granular level, like we just saw with that resource. A compliance score, updated in real time based on CIS and NIST high, medium, and low severities. And this is updated as cloud resources move in or out of compliance. This allows the user to jump in specifically into a compliance-focused view, with the benchmarks laid out and the resources from the inventory mapped to them. In addition to that, the highest impact fix section helps users quickly find and focus on problems with the greatest impact on their compliance score. Users can select a specific problem to see all resources affected by the applicable rule. This is the top 10 resources across all clouds based on count. And right here is the unacknowledged drift, or changes by concern. And this gives you quick access to configuration drift based on the concerns and their impact on the environment. This shows you where the user can investigate what changed, when did it change, who made the change, and what the environment looked like before. All this information below is broken down on an individual account level. As your cloud infrastructure changes every day, do you know who or what's in it? How does one change affect you? Get your cloud into a known good state and keep it there within minutes. Try Ops Compass for free today.